Good morning, everyone. So, I have a book today to share with you called Clifford's Animal Sounds by Norman Bridwell. Before we dive right into this book about animal sounds, I am going to think of a song that maybe we can sing before we start the book that has to do with animal sounds. So, can you think of a song that you've sung at school or with your mom or dad or with your grandmother that has to do with animal sounds? I can think of one, especially because this looks like it takes place maybe on a farm. What do you think? Can you think of a song? How about Old MacDonald? So let's sing just one verse of Old MacDonald, and let's choose the cow sound because the cow's on the front. There are chicks on the front too. There are little chicks right here. But let's do the cow before we read the story. Let's sing one verse of Old MacDonald Had a Farm with the cow sound. Ready? Help me out here. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thanks for helping. Okay, now we've thought about some animal sounds and we've thought about the farm. So let's read about Clifford, the big red dog. He looks like a puppy here. So he's a young dog here. He visits a farm and he hears all kinds of sounds. And do you know, I'm outside. Do you hear the birds saying tweet, tweet? Do you hear that? Let's get started. I wonder what sounds he will hear, how many animals he'll see on the farm, and if he's scared or if he really loves meeting all the new animals. Clifford's animal sounds. Clifford is on the farm today. He listens to what the animals have to say. The cow says, moo. The owl says, ooh. The bird says, tweet. The mouse says, squeak. Do you hear the sounds? Tweet and squeak sound alike. Quack, says the duck. The hen says, cluck. That's a girl chicken. The hen is a girl chicken. Now, do you think Clifford is excited about meeting all the animals? Can you tell? I think he's smiling and he's thinking, oh, this is such fun. Meeting all of the animals, the cow. Who did he meet? The cow, the bird, the mouse, the duck, the owl, and now the hen. Look, he looks very excited to meet the hen. The hen has chicks. The chicks say cheep. Bah, says the sheep. I think Clifford is having a big time at the farm. What do you think? The cat says meow. It's Clifford's turn now. What does Clifford say? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with meow and now because Clifford says bow wow. See, he's talking. Wow. Do you think Clifford had a good time at the farm? Let's go back and look at the animals he visited. Let's think very quickly about the sounds they made too. It's fun to make animal sounds, even if we don't sound just like the animals. So there's Clifford's animal sounds. He's going to the farm. There's the barn, and there are pigs and chickens and horse. There's the farmhouse. That's where the people live. And that's the barn where the animals can stay. So he's going to be a good listener at the farm. And the animals are saying things or making noises. Did you ever wonder what an animal's trying to say to you? The cow says moo, remember? The owl says ooh. The bird says tweet, tweet. The mouse says squeak. What's the duck say again? Remember? Quack, quack. What's the hen say? Cluck. And her chicks say chip, chip, chip. They really do sound like that. If you've ever seen a lot of baby chickens together, they're so noisy and they look so full of life and they're going chip, 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 chip. And then the sheep says, bah. And then the cat says, what? I'm getting my mouth ready for it. Meow. And then it's Clifford's turn. Remember, he's a dog. And Clifford says, bow wow. Some people say that dogs say roof roof or woof woof. We can't talk exactly like a dog talks, but bow wow is one of those ways that we say they sound like. That was fun. I enjoyed reading about the farm animals and Clifford meeting them and being so excited. And I've also enjoyed hearing the birds in the background while I read. We truly had some animal sounds today. Have a great day. Bye.